Hi
And we're
everyone, and
live.
we're live. Good evening. I'm Bianca,
I'm
and we
Chris.
run this page as we are husband and wife, and we're also business partners in this online business that we
Mhm.
started 4 years ago. So today is our first day, like the first uh,
Episode.
episode of our, interviewing business partners,
Mhm.
business owners in our community, helping our team to go outside their comfort zone as well and answer questions about themselves, about
Yeah.
the business, why they started their business, and things like that, right? That relates to their business and their lives and what's happening in their lives while
Exactly.
while they were looking for this opportunity and while running the business, right? So for tonight, we have three powerful guests. Um,
Amazing ladies.
Exactly. Iba-iba ng background, right? Like for example, as we're husband and wife, we have kids. Hindi lahat sila merong kids, right? Hindi lahat sa kanila mga mommy, ganon.
Mhm.
So iba-iba kami ng background and we're very excited for you to learn their background,
And
um,
share their experiences.
experiences
Yeah.
through them, right?
Mhm.
So for them to share their background and experiences with you. So we're gonna welcome them in stage one by one. Hi,
Hi
everyone.
everyone. Hello.
Hi,
Hello.
good evening. So, we're gonna let you introduce yourselves. So, kung ano yung inyong, kung sino kayo, where are you from, and ano yung current work ninyo. All right? And why did you start this business? We're gonna start with Prem. Okay?
Oh,
God, all right.
okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Primrose Lupar. I am originally from Bacolod, Negros Occidental, Philippines. We migrated to Canada 16 years ago with my parents, and then we lived in Toronto for 5 years, and then we moved to Regina, Saskatchewan, and we're still living here in Saskatchewan. My current job right now is sterile technician, full time in a general hospital in Regina, and I also work as a sterile technician in a dental clinic as a casual and then a business owner. That's it for
Awesome.
me.
Ang dami niyang ginagawa, ano? And next, let's go to Amy.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Good evening here in Alberta. I'm based in Alberta, Canada. My name is Amy Chrysler, and I'm originally from Negros Occidental, Philippines. I moved to Canada in 2018 because of my husband. And my first job here is I work in the restaurant. And after that, I realizing it's not because it's a casual, so I'm looking for a full-time job. So I work after that I work in the production. After 3 years, I decided to move because I'm looking something not very physical job. So I work as a customer service and the storage facility. So it's kind of more office job. So it's kind of nice. I'm thinking that's my dream because I always looking a job like a office, so that is not physical. So when I'm there after 1 year, I realized I need more. It's not this. I'm thinking if you that dream, I'm thinking that's my retirement, but it not. It doesn't. It changed my mindset. So I said,
Mhm.
so I go back to work. I go back to school because I. So maybe that's the best thing to do to improve to give me more
Yeah.
because since 2018 I never go back for a visit. So after my practicum I found this online business and I'm so glad I did, even it's kind of hard because financially I don't have work. I just finished school, so I don't have job.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. We cannot imagine. Kasi
Yeah.
kami
So
dalawa na yung income namin. We're still, because we have huge dreams for ourselves and for our family. Minsan we're still um wanting more, right? Not because we are greedy, but because we want our paycheck to match our dream, right?
yeah.
So we lost Ames
Si Ivy.
Ivy.
or Ivy. Hintayin lang natin siya. Babalik yun.
Okay.
All right. So, nasagot mo na yung isang tanong that we are curious about, that at what point did you realize relying on one income wasn't enough? Medyo napahapyawan mo na siya, Ames. Pero, do you
Okay.
have any additional to that? Like, at what point did you realize relying on one income wasn't enough?
I realized that it's not enough because I've been here for 8 years, and I never have a chance to go back home for a visit.
Yeah.
So I realized I don't have enough savings, just go to bills, send money back home.
Mm.
So I decided I need something more that I can do while if I find a job, I can do that in the background. Like
Awesome.
I can do work, I can work at my own pace. So I
Awesome.
found this business and I'm a digital business owner now.
Thank you. How about you, Ivy? Sorry, we lost
Mm.
you. Buti bumalik ka. So can you please introduce yourself first, and then after
Oh,
that we'll answer that question na
okay.
sinagot ni Ames. Yeah.
Oh, kasi hindi ko kayo narinig kaya ano 'to. So, I'm Ivy,
Yeah.
living here in Ontario, Canada, and working as a full-time pharmacy assistant and a wife and a mom of two and a part-time digital business owner. That's
Awesome. So, balik muna tayo kay Prem. So,
Mm.
you, Prem, hindi mo pa nasagot kasi pinakilala mo pa lang yung sarili mo. But that's okay. So, medyo napahapyawan kasi ni Ames, right? So, at what point did you realize na sobrang busy ng schedule mo, relying on one income is not enough? Relying dun sa iyong day job is not enough. Sorry, go
So
ahead.
initially, before I started this business, I wasn't a sterile technician yet. I started working in food industry. So dahil I didn't go back to university or school here in Regina, obviously I couldn't find a better job. So I started in fast food and I became a coffee shop barista, ganon. So I was actually juggling 3 to 4 jobs, especially in summer. I would have 4 jobs, which is the server. So it came to a point where I got exhausted. I was young back then, but like what I've said, I was exhausted physically, mentally, emotionally. Like I was earning money. Actually, that time I was living with my parents, so hindi ko naman talaga kailangan ng maraming pera. But it's just since my mindset is I want to prepare for the future while I was single pa. I
Mm.
worked multiple jobs. And then that hit me when I work for multiple jobs, I pay more taxes sa government. And then I've been actually into different nagjo-join ako ng mga business, mga ganon. Tapos pag hindi ko siya masyadong nagugustuhan, I leave. So, in short, hindi ako nagtatagal. Not until I saw this business, ako, sa ano siya, tag dito, sa husband ng friend ko. So I've seen his Facebook and I got curious. And then actually when I started, nag-refund ako. Nag-refund ako kasi parang sketchy para sa akin during that time. And then parang sabi ko, hindi ko siya masyadong naiintindihan. So I refunded. And then after a while, sabi niya, are you still interested? Sabi ko, give me some time kasi masyado akong busy. But yeah, I registered again. I watched everything, the webinar, and I tried to understand the business and how it worked. And it clicked. Sabi ko, I think this is the business that would work for me. It is part-time. I can do it on the side while working, my multiple jobs. And then little by little, sabi ko, parang hindi ko siya nabibigyan ng oras. So I started actually cutting my hours in my part-time job. And then naghanap ako I went back to school. That's why I became a stereo technician. And at the same time, I'm still doing the business, this online business. Kasi it's parang for me, it's hitting multiple, birds in one stone, which is earning on the side. I'm actually learning more skills as well, not just in financial aspect, and then preparing for the future for a family. Like for you, when I met this, when I saw this business, I was single. Pero ngayon may partner na ako. So parang mas eager ako to grow more in the business kasi mas gusto ko na mag-prepare kami ni Rio before having kids actually. So that's one of the reasons as well why I started this digital business and why am I still here.
Thank you
Thank you.
for saying
Yeah.
that. You know,
I love that,
there's a
yeah.
lot of points there. Balikan natin mamaya, right?
Yeah.
Para makibigay tayo ng chance kay Ivy naman. At what point did you realize relying on, because you have a job already na na related sa course mo, right, Ivy? Related siya sa course mo or not really when you started? Kasi now, di ba related na sa profession mo sa Philippines yung job mo ngayon, tama? Nakamute ka.
Nakamute ka, sister.
Yeah, oh, sorry. So when I saw this business, but it was related naman sa cause I was a student before and took a chemical laboratory technician. But when I saw this business, in my in my career sa chemical laboratory technician din. So related lang siya sa yung kinuha ko dito na yung job ko. Ang kaso lang nung time that while I'm working full-time sa chemical laboratory technician as a chemistry technician, naging yung parang na-burnout ako. Kasi kung uuwi ako ng bahay, yung flexible yung schedule namin. But yung yung oras is yung pag-uwi mo ng bahay, iniisip mo pa yung trabaho mo pagdating mo sa bahay kung may na-turn off mo ba yung oven, baka pagkuan nasunugan ng laboratory, yung parang gano'n na tapos kailangan mo bumalik sa work kasi kasi yung sample na hindi pwede, yung para bang hindi pwede ma-access sa oras.
Yeah.
Yung
Yeah.
yung paglulupag
Alright,
pag
yeah,
nasa
okay.
kasi pag na-access sa oras, yung accurate na result for the
Yes.
food testing, hindi na siya kasi may kukunin lang kaming
Time
moisture,
constraint.
dapat na percentage na gano'n. Yung parang na-exhausted yung kwan ako nung nung nakita ko yung sa advertise na but they're doing a business na part-time lang. But parang parang na-curious ako na while full-time and then parang hindi yan yung social media lang ganun. Parang na-curious ako. When I saw this is I think July or June. Tapos hindi ko pa siya hindi ko siya tinatouch kung ano yung 'di ba I think nag-register ako pero hindi ko siya nakita. Pero nung nakita ko yung kanyo na parang na-curious ako pero ilang months before ako but when we decided to join this business, nag-consult muna ako sa husband ko. Pero yun nga, ang kaso lang, ako ang gumagawa kasi nga nahihiya din siya. Pareho kaming introvert na tao, pero sabi ko, kung kaya naman ng mentor ko, ba't hindi ko kaya? Di ba? Sabi ko, hindi. Kasi ang ayaw ko lang kasi unlike sa ibang na business is you have to chase friends. Yun yung ayaw ko. Ayaw ko namimilit ng tao. Kung ayaw mo sa akin, ayaw ko din sa'yo. Yung parang ganon. Ba't ako pipili? Kasi nakaka-intimidate kahit na sabihin na yung mga family mo kasi 'di ba may mga skeptical na mga family members usually na iba yung mindset nila, gusto nila kita agad yung parang quick rich na na uy magkano na yung kan mo, yung parang hello ano ba to isang araw yayaman ka na sa business, hindi naman ganon, yung parang ganon kung siguro dahil yung concept ng business na ito, yung hindi ka nag-chase ng friends or family, yun yung nagustuhan ko. Kasi, kasi di ba once na you have to decide, siya na yung mag-decide kung gusto niya yung business or hindi. Hindi ka namimilit. Yun yung na gusto ko.
Thank you. Thank you for saying that. So kung nanonood kayo and you are worrying about the business being about chasing people, pipilitin mo sila, you're bugging them, friends and family especially. Galing na kay Ivy, it's not. And galing sa isang introvert na katulad ni Ivy, running the business alongside her job. If she can do it, you can do it as well, right? Thanks for sharing that, Ivy. Because I know for sure maraming makaka-relate. Kasi maraming nagtatanong sa amin din na,
ganun din,
do I have to be on social media? Kailangan ko bang mag-message ng tao? Kailangan ko bang mangulit? We didn't like that as well. That's why we are in the business, and we're in the business for 4 years now, right? So thank you for sharing that. So let's go to Amy. Yung question natin is jump natin, right? Para masagot natin lahat ng question within our time. So what does your first few weeks look like, or months even, look like nung nag-start ka, Ames, if you can, kahit hindi very detailed, yung itsura lang ng demo nung nag-start ka. Kasi for sure, maraming makaka-relate na, I have a job, paano ko isisingit
Paano mo na-juggle?
yung online business. Ganyan. So, can you share something about that?
So the first month, it's messy. Kasi pag nakita ko yung training, sabi ko, kaya ko ba to? Ang dami. Parang gusto ko na tapusin lahat. Pero alam ko yung, I'm so helpful that yung mayroon tayong group. So just, sabi doon, kailangan talaga step by step para wala kang ma-miss kasi yun yung tutulong sa'yo. But yeah, my first month is so messy. Gusto ko na matapos agad para makapag ads. Pero dapat kailangan nating maging yun nga, follow sa training step by step kasi tayo pa rin yung magkaroon ng yung feedback nun sa atin pa rin kasi tayo hindi nakasalalay sa iyo, sa mentor ko yung business. So we build our own. That's why we're independent, right? But we have a like mentor if we have question na tutulong sa atin. Pero hindi naman tayo basta-basta na kasi mayroon din silang own life. So we have to be very careful. And I learn a lot kasi yung nawala yung page ko. So I feel like I'm hopeless. But when I see all the people in our community like kung saan sila nanggaling bago sila sa taas ngayon. So nilagay ko din tinayin ko din yung mindset ko, kailangan ko ganito. Nanonood ako ng mga podcast para it helps my mindset na hindi pala kailangan, yun nga, 1 month, maging job quitter ka na. Yeah, so, yeah, it helps me na kailangan talaga yung i-follow yung training kahit matagal, nasa tama. Kahit matagal siya, ang tawag doon, kahit matagal,
Sure
parang
ka.
sure ka na nagiging okay lahat. Kaya doon ako nag-learn na dapat talaga follow yung kahit yung sa Facebook, 'di ba, may mga rules na dapat i-follow, hindi lang basta post ng post.
Yes.
So we have to be very careful that. So it's the same with what we do in our life, and I reflect as well, like when you're thinking after you graduate, you have this nice job right away. It's not that's work. Like I remember Primrose last time that it's not always the grass is the greener in the other side. It's not that how it works. And then does not happen for everybody. So yeah, it helps like you encourage, you're not like bring down yourself or you're like you feel like you're disappointed. So that's bad if you feel disappointed because it's affect to yourself, right? So it's not helping. So you have to be very positive, follow the step by step. Even it's hard, like if you have job, just what you can do. Just do what time you available. You cannot force it. That's what I can say.
You wanna add? Banggitin ko
okay.
lang, you said the grass is greener on this side, on that side. Actually, the grass is greener when you water
When
your
you
grass,
water it,
basically, right? So you have
Okay.
to that's for us, right?
Okay.
People are saying the grass is,
Yeah.
when we move here, we thought the grass is greener in Canada,
And then
right?
pag nandun na yung
And then when you move to other country,
Yeah.
and then makita mo, mas maganda pala kunyari, for example, yung cost of living or yung lifestyle sa New Zealand, right? And then you're thinking dahil nasa Canada, maybe the grass is greener there. Actually, your grass will be green when you water it. So you have to take care of your mind, your mindset, right? Your psychology, your family. Then your grass will be
wherever you
greener.
are, wherever you
Basically, right?
wherever
So
you
yun
go.
yung na-realize namin when we moved here to Canada in 2016. 10 years
2016,
na, right? Exactly. So thank you for also reminding people na when you start the business, you're gonna be
It's gonna be messy.
but you're gonna be, although you are your own business owner, we are here, the community, your mentors, your coaches, to guide you, right? But we cannot do the training for you because you have to grow yourself, right? Hindi, that's why the training is there. And what's amazing is our training is very flexible. Tapos lagi siyang na-update. It's really very world class. We know because we are doing courses outside our training.
Mhm.
So, pag nagko-compare kami, our training is really very world class.
Yeah,
And other
in
than
par
that,
in par. Kasi, alam mo yun, yeah, we know that, yung ibang courses dun sa labas, right? We're paying for it.
walang
Ano yun?
coach.
Walang coach, right?
Kasi
Yun yung
ano lang
problema.
siya videos lang siya
Yep.
na naka, ano na,
That's
na
additional.
naka, yeah.
That's additional.
Kung gusto mong magpa-coach, you're gonna have to pay additional for that. And then, syempre, hindi lagi. Every time na may kunyari, for 2,000, 4 sessions. After ng 4 sessions, you have to
Yeah.
pay again, right? Something like that. In our community, coach,
And then,
mentor, community, kasama na yon once you start the business, right? So, thank you for sharing that. Kasi for sure, maraming sa isip nila natatanong nila yun and gusto
Oh, yeah.
nilang masagot, right? So, what has changed for you, Prem, when you, not just financially, when you start the business, but you're, in your day-to-day life, because you mentioned about, was it you who mentioned about mindset, learning,
yeah.
still, right? You just mentioned it. So,
Mm.
what has changed for you when you start this business?
So basically, my life before I started the business, work, work, work. It's just like I go to work, I go home, I do chores, I would be on my phone, and then if I go to bed. That was my routine. In short, wala siyang growth. Not until I met someone. It's not really related to the business, but that's how it started my mindset. Where I met someone who made me realize that your routine is the same, but you're aging. As year pass by, tumatanda ka. So, dapat, habang tumatanda ka, nagbabago din yung mindset mo. So, when I learned and when I joined this business, at first, it was hard kasi it is out of my routine, out of my comfort zone. It is something that I've never done before kasi hindi naman ako business owner. I never tried selling. I never tried advertising. I never tried showing myself into social media because, like what other people here, I'm very introvert. I like to get, keep my life private. But because of this business, the mindset change. Parang dumating sa point na I will never grow as a person, as a business owner, as a partner, as a mom, eventually, kung hindi ko babaguhin yung pag-iisip ko. So the business taught me to be myself, kung ano at sino ako, but also be confident on what I have, be contented of what I have, and try to explore and gain more knowledge, hindi lang pagdating sa paghahanap ng pera or pag-gain ng actually on how are you gonna make more money. It's actually the business taught me more about money. It's beyond money. It taught me how to be disciplined. It taught me how to time manage. Kasi especially sa trabaho kung I'm 12-hour shift and it's always different every week. Shifting ako eh. Meron akong 7 o'clock na shift, meron pang gabi, yung ganyan. And then aside from that, I do, may part-time pa nga ako. And then, linis ng bahay. And anyway, there's a lot of responsibilities that I have to do. So this business actually taught me to manage my time properly. So aside from that, as well skills, I don't talk before I started, ayoko ng ganito, ayoko ng video, ayoko ng Zoom, ayoko ng StreamYard kasi very shy type ako. But because of this business, I actually went out of my comfort zone. I started talking and here I am talking to everyone live kung sino man yung nanonood sa akin. It comes to a point where hindi na ako masyadong nahihiya on what people will think about me, especially my friends and family. People ask what I do and I answer them. Dati ayoko. So those are the things that I have learned because of this business. Again, discipline, time management, and then get out of my comfort zone.
Yes,
Thank
you
you.
nailed
Amazing,
it.
yeah.
You nailed the what?
The core. The core. The truth, actually. The
You
reality.
nailed it on the head.
Yeah.
Lahat tayo, no, we all have 24/7,
Mhm.
right? So kapag kami nagsabi sa amin na I don't have time, and this is very funny too. Yung mga nag-reach out sa inyo, for example, you're running ads. If you guys are watching, for all of you are watching or gonna watch over in the replay, we learn advertising in different social media platforms through this business, right?
Just this business.
So when I say when you're running your ads and then someone commented on your ads and then after you tell them, okay, you watched the webinar, I don't have time. So
Yeah.
what you are scrolling on Facebook I don't know what you're doing. Maybe you are on break, right? Maybe you are relaxing after a long hours of working. But for sure you have time, because if you have time scrolling on Facebook, you should make time watching a webinar that could potentially change your family's life, right? So it's all about time management, just like what Prem said, and priority. Your prioritization. What do you prioritize? Yung ma-relax ka ngayon after ng work mo, or ilabas mo yung sarili mo outside of comfort zone, stretch yourself to do this, to upgrade your self, matutunan tong skills na to, para later on, you won't reach 60, 65 of retirement na wala ka pang full retirement savings, or kung nag-rent ka or may mortgage ka, hindi
Mortgage,
pa fully paid yung mortgage,
Yeah.
or wala kang funds para sa college or university ng mga anak mo. Like Prem, she's preparing for their family
For future.
ng kanyang partner na si Rio, right? So yung si Ames naman, retirement and going back to the Philippines. Kasi sa kanya, the business is more of like, I want to have income freedom, right? Kasi hindi siya nakabalik ng Philippines for a long time. Just like us,
So,
8
2 years
years
ago, yeah.
bago kami nakauwi ng Philippines, na talagang hindi utang. Lahat yon funded by the business. Kasi ayokong umuwi ng Philippines na ginamit yung card pambili ng ticket,
Lahat,
tapos
right, yeah.
pumunta sa Philippines, nagpunta sa kung saang island, gamit yung card.
Swipe na
Yun
lang.
yung sabi ko kay Chris when we went to the Philippines. So nagkatotoo yun because of the business. We went to the Philippines, wala kaming ginamit na money outside of the income na nakuha namin from the business, right? From Ivy naman, it's all mental exhaustion, right? Kasi very exhausted siya mentally sa kanyang job. So, kailangan, and pag mabi ka, kailangan yung mind mo always present, right? Kasi nakakalungkot na pag uwi mo sa bahay, lahat ng best mo, yung energy mo, inilagay mo sa office, tapos pagka gusto ng anak mo, Mami, can we watch this? Kahit nga hindi manood sa sinihan, manood lang, for example, sa laptop or sa
Yeah, or
TV.
makausap na
But
lang.
yung makausap, yung teenager ko, kapag nag-date kami, she doesn't want to do anything but just walking, eating, and talking. Kasi gusto niya, nandun ako, present ako sa psychology, emotionally, right? So, kung may nabibigay kami sa kanya na material things, iba pa yun, right? That's just cherry on top, basically. So, iba-iba yung aming pain, yung aming pinanggagalingan, why we started the business. But, the goal,
Still
the
the same,
biggest
yeah.
goal is
Mm.
very the same, right? We want to have time freedom, and for us to have time freedom, we have to be independent and free financially, right? So, kung kayo nanonood kayo sa do you want to add?
You're
Sinabi ko
already-
na
Yeah.
So, kung nanonood kayo ngayon and you're gonna watch over in the replay, if we can do this, you will never, maybe you will never, what do you call this, maniwala if I say I'm an introvert. But if I was in high school, I get pulled out to do extemporaneous speeches. I was an introvert. I am an introvert still. Pero I'm like a
Different
situational
levels.
introvert. So kapag kailangan kong lumabas, na
Then you go
kailangan
out.
I have to stop being an introvert, I'm like this,
Mm.
right? So you have to push yourself outside of that. If showing yourself in social media means you will grow your income 3 times, 5 times, 10 times than what you're earning now, then why not do it, right? So yun yung
And it's all for
mindset
your family,
namin.
right?
Exactly.
And it's all for
ni
your
Chris
family.
before.
Yeah.
So what would you say to someone who's been thinking about doing, because I know maraming nanonood and maraming manonood later on, and ano yung ma-advise nyo sa kanila? Yung mga yung feeling nila wala na silang oras, but they know that in their heart, they have to do something extra to be able to get out of their routine, the work, pay your bill, and then repeat routine. So ano yung ma-advise nyo sa kanila? Let's start with Ivy and then paikot tayo. Okay? So, and then we'll wrap this interview. All right?
Okay. So, when I started naman is lahat naman tayo is walang time, di ba? Pero maybe siguro is the time management. Kasi hindi mo siya masusubukan. Hindi mo siya masusubukan kung wala kang time management eh. Thinking mo lang kasi yun na wala kang time, pero meron pala. Pwede mo siyang ising 30 minutes, 1 hour. Nagbe-break ka sa work 30 minutes or until 1 hour. Just ano to na isang video kahit kalahati lang. Tapos ano to sa pag cause nagko-commute ako pag nasa bus ano to, that's the time management kung paano mo Well, pag nasa bahay naman, gawin mo lahat ng gawaing bahay. After that, you have 1 hour and 1 to 2 hours na time, and then sleep. Kaya nung I started this business, siguro yung natutunan ko is the time management. Yun lang yung akala nila na wala silang time, wala silang oras. Pero kulang yung management nila. Pero masisingit at masisingit mo talaga siya.
Yes.
Yep.
Yun
Yes,
lang yung
we also believe,
flexibility.
also believe in that. Absolutely,
Yeah.
100%.
Correct.
Mhm. Thank you, Ivy. Yes, kay Ames naman, ano yung for you? What can you say to someone who are thinking of doing something like this, something extra?
So like what Ivy said, I understand you about time management. So when I see people, like nung nakita ko yung community, tapos their parents, right? So I don't have kids. So bakit nagawa nila? Imagine ko yung sarili ko na may kids ka nalagaan, tapos magle-learn, doon ko nalagay yung sarili ko. So instead of, sabi ko kaya nila, paano ni-handle lahat na may kids? Ako pa kaya na wala akong anak, yung asawa ko lang na so yun, nagawa ko yung training. Yun nga, yung gusto ko lang, oh, I want to done this and do it. But you cannot do success in that one night. So you
Yeah.
have to do the process.
Yes.
So yeah, the time management is the best thing. Even I see Chris and Bianca, Ivy, they can do it, this business. They have kids. Prem and myself were the same, like just husbands. So, so, and if you want to do this business and you feel like you're not ready, there's no word ready. I mean, yeah, there's no word ready, because if you feel like whatever you do in your life, there, if you're not starting what makes your life, you cannot start if you're not start right now. Like
Correct.
I'm not, when I start this, I'm not ready to, because I don't have job, but we're in Canada. So I said, I'm in Canada, I can do, there's a way. So I start that right away, step by step. I'm not there in the on the top yet, but I have hope right now. I have, not like before, I'm thinking so deep. So we have mortgage and my husband is 55. So 55, so 30 years we need to pay. And he's 80, and so I'm the one left behind to pay this mortgage. I said,
Sure.
how can I do that? I have to, I on my mind, I need to find something. So that's why I joined this business. So what you're in Canada or whatever part of the world you're watching this live or replay, if you see something, just do your due diligence, because we're real humans. So you just find out, reach out to us, and we can do video. I don't know Bianca, but we do video calls. And when I see her, that couple for the first time, I said, oh, they're real person and they're nice. So it's just, I did not wait for 1 month. I think three, after I messaged them, we talk. He said, I said, oh, I already done the video. What should I do next? So, and then I paid the 149. I said, it's just 149. I can buy something in Amazon for myself. To rest this and see and find out how it goes, because the real people, I saw the community. So I think that's not bad. So yeah, if you can buy something for 149 to find out the business, for sure you can do this.
Awesome. All right. Thank you, Ames. And last, we're gonna let you wrap up, Prem, by answering this question, and then you will wrap up. Okay. So
Same question.
yeah, same question. Or any other advice for those who want to, start but they are hesitant to start.
So everyone that is wanting to start a business, but they're hesitant or in doubt or not ready yet. For me, before you start anything, always have your due diligence. Kasi it's hard when it's not hard, but parang for me, it's a waste of time when you just started and you don't know anything and you don't think through. So for me, it's a waste of time. Ano? So first of all, you do your due diligence. Our website, you can register, you can watch, and that is a free webinar. And then if you're ready to become a business owner, feel free to pay for the 149. You have 30 days to look everything out, and if you don't want it, you can always get refunded. Remember, only 30 days to get to see what our business can offer. Second of all, ito yung para sa akin nagiging you become successful when you know what is your why. The reason why you're starting a business, everything. It's not just about money, sa totoo lang. This business is not just about money. Everybody's why is about their family, their time freedom, vacation, anything, or investment. So when you start a business, have that strong why para you're gonna push through the business and parang you have inspiration and motivation to keep going. May mga times na we get distracted, we get tired, we're just humans, but our whys will keep us going. And lastly, if you're curious, you can reach out to any of us wherever you're watching this video. So like what I've said, this is free. You have 30 days if you want to pay 149 and to look into what our business can offer. And you're not just doing it by yourself. We have mentors, we have coaches, we have big communities that actually help each other to grow, to go high, and reach their dreams. So iba-iba kami ng personality, but we are connected by one community where all introverts gather together, all extroverts gather together. We share ideas, and we help each other. So I'm hoping this kind of video, yung makita nyo man, it would spark your tag dito, yung yung doubts or yung nyo, yung I can't
Skepticism.
find that word, sorry.
Skepticism, curiosity.
Yeah, curiosity. Yeah. So there's no harm in trying. So hopefully you guys will register in our online website and see our community. And malay mo, ito yung magiging sagot sa iyong problema.
That's a very good wrap up. Thank you very much, Prem, Amy, and Ivy. You're gonna see us again, maybe next Friday or Friday after. Yeah. If you want this is the first episode of our Built for More interview or podcast, and this is not gonna be the last for sure, right? Thank you for watching. You have a good evening. Bye for now.
Bye.
Thank you, everyone.
To